So let's talk about Ducks Unlimited. I don't understand why people in the South, not everybody, but there's a select few that are knocking Ducks Unlimited, Delta, any of the waterfowl community, the pioneers of conservation for waterfowl. They've done so much for all of us because they're making habitat, they're saving habitat, they're helping with banding products, they're helping with grants for all of these public lands, these WMAs, these WPAs, whatever, refuges, etc. Now, just because you guys think that flooded corn is the main reason on why the birds are not coming down to you does not make fucking sense.